So in today's video, I'm gonna show and prove how videos can increase your web page's ranking so people stay on your site longer and take the actions that you want them to take. So let's take it to the next level. Hi everyone, I'm Carl. Welcome to Next Level Video Marketing, a channel where you get the latest strategies and tips to help you achieve your marketing and business goals through video. Now remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies to help your videos get the greatest amount of impact, hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. Just like many marketers or business owners, you want your web pages to rank so people find you and eventually buy your product or use your service. But which of these pages should you add videos to help improve that ranking, or do you need to create new pages? Actually, you don't need to create any new pages. I'm gonna show you a really easy way to identify which pages you should consider adding videos to and the types of videos you should create to help those pages rank on Google. But before we get there, I briefly want to discuss what Google's trying to accomplish. And there's two things. The first one is providing the best possible answer to the query or the question. And the second one is completely understanding the intent of the searcher. So let's go through the first one. Google's looking for the most complete answer to that question.
We're on to Cincinnati.
So you think having a 37-year-old?
We're on to Cincinnati.
It's not the shortest, it's not the longest, but which page actually answers that question the best. And sometimes Google doesn't even need to go to web pages. It actually provides the answer right on the search engine result page. And when we're talking about intent, what is the intent of the searcher related to what they're looking for? So there's one more thing I want to talk about, and that's related to a major Google algorithm update coming in 2021, if not here already, and that's on-page experience. So why is this important? It's because Google wants to find out not just which pages provide the most complete answer, but also which pages provide the best experience for the searcher. They want to find out which pages people are staying on longer and engaging with, have little trouble accessing, and really easy to navigate. So if you want to know more about this on-page experience update, you gotta check out Neil Patel's article, which provides a great breakdown, and I'll leave it in the description below. So how does videos relate to any of this? Well, by adding videos to your web pages, you improve a searcher's on-page experience. Whenever somebody plays that video, it shows Google that they're engaging with the page and that they're staying on longer. So let's begin by doing some research on finding out which pages you actually should add videos to. So the main place we want to do our research is on Google Search Console. Now, if you don't know if it's installed into your website or not, I'm going to leave a link in the description to help you with that. Now, Google Search Console, just a really quick overview. It's a place to check the health of your website and gives you a lot of information on how people are finding your site from search, pages that are ranking, impressions, click-throughs, and more. As you can see here, there's a lot of information that Search Console provides about your website. I know today we're just gonna focus on rankings, but definitely take the time to actually learn about Search Console because it can provide you a lot of useful information on not just how to rank, but how to improve your entire website. What I want you to go through, go to performance, and from here, what we're looking to do is find pages on your site that rank between 4 and 7 with a high impression and high click-through rate. This is a website for a client of mine, so I'm going to use them as an example. The reason we want to improve those pages ranking 4 to 7 is because the majority of click-throughs from the search page usually come through those pages that rank number 1 to 3. Yes, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they still get clicks, but the higher you rank, the more people will click through. So we just want to improve these specific ones first. Now what we want to do is go to pages. Now find the pages that are ranking between 4 to 7 or 4 to 10. It depends on how many pages you have here that have a high number of impressions and a high number of clicks, because then you know people are already going to these pages, and you might want to cross-reference with Google Analytics. What we're doing here is putting videos on these pages that have people already visiting them and trying to keep them on longer by watching these videos, therefore improving on-page performance. Now what we want to do here is take the page. Let's say we take this first one. Now we're going to add it up here. Go to page, apply, and what we have here is all the keywords that this page is ranking for, as well as the click-through rates, the impressions, and the total number of clicks. And what we want to do is create videos related to these keywords and add them to the pages. Now, an advanced tip for you is to take some of those keywords that page was already ranking for, try to search for them on YouTube using the YouTube search, and see what comes up, because potentially you could create videos that not only rank on not only rank on Google, but also rank on YouTube as well. So for the second tip on how to find which pages on your website can benefit from videos, we're going back to Search Console, but this time we're looking up branded and unbranded keywords. So I want you to go into Search Console. I want you to go into queries. So for the first part, type in the name of your brand, so the name of your business, your company, as well as any unique products. So I'm gonna go here. And again, like before, I want you to find, if you go into pages, I want you to find the pages that are ranking between 4 to 7 or 4 to 10 with high clicks, high impressions, because then we know people are actually visiting those pages. And on these pages, I want you to include your product videos, demo videos, testimonial or case study videos to help improve its on-page experience. Like I said, we want people to stay on those pages longer and show Google that it has high on-page experience, therefore increases the potential for that page to improve its rank and to try to get it into the top 3. Now, the second step I want you to take is to go back to queries, and instead of putting in your brand, I want you to put unbranded keywords. So instead of containing, I want you to queries not containing, because what we want to do here is find all the keywords that you're ranking for that's not related to your brand. And just like before, I want you to find the pages that are ranked between 4 to 7, 4 to 10, high impressions, high click-through. Now I want you to copy the page and then from here, find the keywords that page is ranking for. And because we have the filter set to exclude your branded keywords, you can now create videos related to these keywords or phrases and apply them to those pages and help improve those rankings. So the final tip is actually to search for featured snippets, specifically video snippets, on the search engine results page. And based on the keywords that you're targeting, which one of them has video featured snippets. I'll give you an example. Let's take video marketing, because we definitely know there's featured snippets there. So what you're gonna have to do is, based on your keyword list, and you can take them from the keywords that you found using tip 1 and 2 in Google Search Console, which of those keywords and phrases actually have video snippets on the SERP. And that way you'll know you actually have an opportunity to not only improve the rankings of your current pages and having a shot of getting your video as a featured snippet. By just doing these 3 things, you can identify which pages would benefit from videos and the types of videos you need to create to help those pages rank. And if you want to learn more on how to rank videos both on YouTube and Google, you got to check out this playlist here, as well as this playlist to learn other video marketing strategies and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode.